Cornbread muffins are a delicious snack that are so easy to make from scratch you will never go back to using boxed mixes, especially when you heat them up a little bit by adding jalapenos. I'm going to show you with just a few basic ingredients how you can make the ultimate gluten-free cornbread muffins that your friends and family will demand at every chili night in the future. They are that good. But before we get started, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and rest assured I will leave the recipe down below in the description so you can make these easily at home. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and we'll get our dry ingredients started. You will need 1 cup of gluten-free flour, 1 cup of gluten-free cornmeal, 2 teaspoons of gluten-free baking powder, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix your dry ingredients together just so that they're well combined and evenly distributed. Next, prep your jalapenos by slicing enough to have 1 ring per mini muffin or 2 rings for full-size muffins, and then dice up the remaining jalapenos. And now we're going to start prepping our wet ingredients. So the first thing we need is 2 eggs. We are going to beat those thoroughly. Yeah, beat them up. To those eggs, you will add 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 cup of milk or buttermilk. I added lemon juice to my milk and let it sit for a while to make fake buttermilk. That works. Whisk this together and then add your diced jalapenos. About 1/4 cup is what I've used here. And now we're going to stir those jalapenos into the mix so they are well distributed and we are ready to combine the wet and dry ingredients. Now, normally, you should be actively stirring while combining these two, but I'm holding the camera with one hand, so I'll make do. I'm just going to pour it all in and then combine. Do not overmix this. Just get everything well combined, evenly wet, and we will be ready to fill our muffin trays. I like to toss the pre-greased muffin pan in an oven to warm it up for a few minutes. You'll see I've got some nice brown butter happening here, and I filled the tray while it's hot. This helps keep a beautiful golden crust on the muffins, and it keeps them from sticking. Fill every cup to the top and place a jalapeno ring right on top of each one. I removed most of the seeds and membrane from mine, but leave them in if you want a little bit more spice. Pop these in your filthy oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Hopefully your oven is cleaner than mine. I swear, I'm working on it. After 30 minutes, pull the muffins out and do the toothpick test. Thanks to that preheated greased pan, these come right out with a beautiful crust and a clean toothpick. Just perfect. You can leave these in the pan if you're going to be serving them immediately. That'll help keep them warm. Or pop them out onto a cooling rack if they're going to be enjoyed later that day. When I'm ready to serve, I'll pop these back in the oven for a few minutes at 300-350 just to warm them up. And then I love to top them with plain butter. There's nothing better for me. Honey works really well also, but the richness of the corn and jalapeno flavors just really shine through when you use butter. Absolutely perfect. Crumbly, delicious cornbread muffins with no gluten and a fresh jalapeno flair. Once you make these, you will be hooked. And if your friends and family want you to make them again, just share this video with them so they can learn to feed themselves. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy these. There is more spicy Gluser recipes coming soon.